This is a lychee, or lychee, whatever you want to call it. You call it. Hit me up in the comments. Lychee or lychee. Anyway, I'm going to give you an up close and personal look at this. So I try to shoot for the ones that are nice and pink. I know that these are super ripe. So in all honesty, if I was in the restaurant or in the 3 Michelin star restaurant, we would sort through pounds and pounds of these just to get the pink ones. It was absolutely ridiculous. So let me show you the difference. I don't know if you can see it because it might be too bright. You see how this one's a little bit yellow? It's not as big. This one I know is going to taste better. And so we're going to open it. Look at the size. These look pretty good, but I'm going to be honest, half of these are not that awesome. But let's crack one open. So basically, what you want to do is where the root end is or the top, it doesn't matter. Just get your finger in there and you can peel it just like this. And I mean, I know this is going to be good. Now there's a little membrane that you have to get past, but once you get past that, look at this. Beautiful. And that's what it looks like. And they're delicious. If you ever get a chance to try these, try them, okay? There's a shiny brown seed in there. Looks like this. They actually grow these in Florida. When I was in Florida, we used to get them, but it's like the mix, it's like a mix between, it reminds me of a really fragrant grape. So, you ask, how would I serve them if I was in a restaurant? What do we do with these? So basically, any type of beverage you can think of, lychee syrup as a garnish. This is very good for a ceviche. This is really good in any type of dessert garnish, lychee sorbet, lychee sauce. You name it, you could use this for anything. Anything that you would use tropical fruit for. A good example is they are delicious just like this. So actually, at when I worked at Hotel Bel Air, the pastry chef would use them for amenity. Would use them for amenity plates. And what she would do is take a little paring knife. I'm going to use my fingers just because I'm at my house, but if I was at the restaurant, I would use a knife. And then she would peel them just like this and leave part exposed. So that way the guests could just pop it right in their mouth. But that is also another way you could serve them, just like this, on a plate, fruit plate, whatever you want. But these are amazing. I think these are way better than rambutan. Rambutan has a milder flavor, but lychee is much more floral, much more sweet.